Welcome back, folks, to the KARE 11 Backyard. We're going to start things out with our next upcoming weather impact alert, and that is going to be Tuesday afternoon, and could start rather early in those afternoon hours, like right around the lunch hour. And that's going to take us into the early morning commute of Wednesday. We're talking about rain, snow, and a wintry mix. And the way things are lining up right now, that wintry mix and that rain snow line, a bit concerning around the I-94 corridor. Doesn't necessarily mean it lands right on the corridor or right on the interstate, but it is certainly looking like there will be some impacts felt around there. So again, you want to be very careful. Some slick and icy conditions anticipated looking ahead to Tuesday and especially into Wednesday morning. Also, in between all that, we're going to have some bitterly cold wind chills Monday morning. And again, you can see the numbers really drop heading into next weekend. But this system coming at us Tuesday, Wednesday will be rather mild. That's why the numbers pop up, the wind chills go up. But it's also why we're talking about some rain coming up. And the numbers already improving tomorrow. Take a look at that. Teens and 20s back on the map instead of single digits and some low teens like we saw for today. We do have a little bit of light snow coming across the region right now through these overnight hours. Looks like it'll be a little blanket of snow in west central and southwest Minnesota through the overnight hours. But expecting things to really kind of fizzle out or at least weaken as it approaches the Twin Cities. That being said, there could be just a little dusting around some areas of the cities, a light coating there. And then a second quick moving system will move across into the afternoon and evening hours. This one hits more of northern and central Minnesota, but nonetheless into the evening, even a little light snow reaching for the Twin Cities there. But take a look at this as you get into that morning commute. Again, maybe an inch or two out to the west, but not much expected around the cities. The second wave comes through, and that's when there's a little more of a fresh dressing of snow. You can see 2 to maybe 3 inches in a few spots across the northern half of our region, extending into much of Wisconsin. Then we're going to fast forward to Tuesday. This is the big system we're watching. Comes in from the northwest, but has a little more moisture and a little more warmth to it. And take a look at this. This is just one possible scenario. The models showing agreement, but again, that I-94 corridor tends to line up with that rain to the south, snow to the north, and a little wintry mix right there. Any little shift with the forecast path will change the forecast, will change what is felt where you are. All of us start to feel the deep freeze and that rain turn to snow on the backside of all this. So that's why icy conditions certainly anticipated as we go from Tuesday into Wednesday. Also some strong wind there, and you can see what's coming up behind it. Typical winter for us. We get blasted with the snow, and then here comes the deep freeze again, Julie.
Hey, yay, yay. All right. We'll keep watching. Thank you.